Bakari exiled himself from his troop after falling out with the leader. What has become of Chica and the baby he left behind? To reach them, he must brave the swollen river. Bakari's troop were displaced, and their reckless leader brought them to leopard territory. But will his luck desert him just when he needs it most? Will the leader try to kill him? It's Chica. They became close when they raised an orphaned baby together. Their affection is as deep as ever. For a few stolen moments, their family wants more. But what of the leader? The leader who showed so little mercy to others, finally had no mercy shown to him.